All right, had another car show, Winthrop Harbor. Gonna get a copyright. Dan invited me to go to the car show down in Winthrop Harbor. Him and his cousin Dwayne and their significant others all showed up down there, and we drove down there together and decided to check that out. Figure it was a different car show, different state. Why not give it a try? It was relatively small, but being it was the first annual, I'm pretty sure it'll pick up in years to come.